excited. Yeah, and but I'm very happy. I'm very excited, and I'm looking forward, to deliver. Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm sure now we have a dress, like Tina.
Something. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to
Time.
Yeah, no, it's not an aside, but it's fine.
So, if you have a message for you that you want to send to the world, to a person of Nubamuloni, to a person of Nukalikiwi,
Yeah.
What are you saying to those people?
Yeah. What I'd like to say to people who, especially young talent, that is coming up, and because no matter what's happening, they're looking up to us.
Yeah.
And then to guide them and to help them. But I want to say, it's never too late. Start and make sure you about it and you're serious about what you want to do. And slowly but surely, by the grace of God,
Yeah. So I want you to share your shows, time slot official. Just tell us what you in a mobile phone. If you can just give us the scenario of your show.
Okay. No, Yamanzi, show yakhe izoba ngezi-20 zikaNovember, and then my time slot 12 o'clock until 1:30. So Yamanzi nje Yamanzi uzanayo i-live band yakhe and everything. So ngicela stay put and come and watch her live.
And watch her. Please don't waste time. Yes, and I heard you speaking about Mido. Yes.
Yeah, economic lineup. Surely the economic lineup.
Can I so my God?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good on your mind. Please do not miss the date. Surely you have your ticket right now. Igama Busisiwe Mazibuko from Siyazikhakhazisa podcast. Please don't forget to check our page on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you so much. Siyazikhakhazisa.